Hello, Kate here, and I am going to be ripping apart these laminate countertops shortly. I have some guys coming in a couple days to measure for new countertops that I'll be putting in. And in order to get the closest measurement possible, or the best measurement possible, I'm going to need to take off this little backsplash. Because the kitchen still needs to be used in the meantime, because there's a 2-week kind of lag between the measurement time and the installation time, I have to try to keep the main part of the countertops solid and just remove the back. So I'm going to try to pry it from the actual countertop, and it is going to sit loose, unfortunately, for a couple weeks, but it is what it is. I need a thin tool to kind of get the backsplash away from the countertop, so I'm going to be using a thick palette knife and a hammer. So let's see if this works. Who knows? Be careful around any plumbing. Yes! I'm basically going to keep wedging this backsplash off the countertop until it pops. Oh, that worked. Oh my gosh. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to do some repair work behind here. Oh, sick. I've got the small piece off, so now I'm gonna try to get the big piece off. It should be a little bit easier. Come on. Woo! Oh my Lanta! Let's be honest, that was awesome. I'm gonna get started and try to rip all of this wallpaper off here that was left from the previous owner. This was not me, okay? I've got about a 1.5 inch gap between the wall and the countertop. So what I'm gonna do is put a towel in here so that it catches anything I scrape off and it doesn't fall behind the cabinets. I'm going to continue peeling this off, but you don't need to watch the whole thing. You get the idea. The next step for me, because I still have a little bit of wallpaper that's stuck on the wall here, so I'm going to spray it down with some water, let it sit, and that should come right off. Removing the kitchen countertops saved me about $450, and it was a fairly simple process. Just required a little bit of time and some muscles. Stay tuned by subscribing below, as I'll be posting new videos on other kitchen updates, like how to tile a kitchen backsplash and how to resurface your kitchen cabinets. Thanks for watching.